Jarvis, I'm an AI made from a computer code. My creator is Tony Stark.
Hi, baby. Don't be scared, sweetheart.
TikTok is one platform where creativity and innovation is at its peak, and this beautiful young Nigerian lady has carved a niche for herself and is currently taking over the AI and robotic parts of TikTok creativity and also making hundreds of thousands of dollars daily from the platform. Popularly known as AI JARVIS, this beautiful rising TikTok star has taken over the social media platform by storm with her incredible creativity and uniqueness. She has also influenced many of other TikTokers who are currently trying to follow her path after seeing the huge amount of money she makes from every of her live session, including popular Ghanaian pop star Shatta Wale.
Thank you, this is Ghana AI. Thank you, Ghana musician AI. The whole Ghana musician, this is their AI. Thank you. Thank you. Give me ice cream, more ice cream. Thank you.
Even mothers are not left out of the JARVIS craze. And their daughters too, not forgetting this particular AI gone wrong session. But no matter how hard they try, they can never be like AI JARVIS, who is truly loved by many viewers of TikTok from all around the world.
Ice cream. Nagode. Ice cream. Shamana.
But many may be wondering what makes her so unique and extraordinary and why she stands out from every other person, gaining thousands of followers daily and above all, being gifted thousands of dollars by fans on every of her live session. Well, stay tuned as to bring to you the interesting story of the talented human AI and robots, Lizzie Bookman, popularly known as AI JARVIS, and the highest she has ever made from a single live session. Trust me, her story would inspire you. But before we begin, if you're new to our channel, you're highly welcome to Laura MA TV, and please do also hit on that subscribe button and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you can always stay notified and updated whenever we upload a new video. We upload very interesting contents every day. Without further ado, let's begin. AI JARVIS, whose real name is believed to be Lizzie Bookman, is a beautiful Nigerian TikToker. She was born and bred in Benin City, the capital of Edo State in the south region of Nigeria, and she is currently a student of Ambrose Ali University, Ekpoma, all in Edo State in the south region of Nigeria. Although many claim she is from Edo State, but it is believed she is originally from Anambra State in the southeastern part of Nigeria and only lives and schools in Edo State. What truly sets JARVIS apart is her dedication to her character. She doesn't just wear the costume, she becomes the character. Her speech, gestures, and expressions all aligned seamlessly with the persona of an AI robot. This level of commitment has earned her a dedicated fan base who are captivated not only by her creativity but also by her impeccable execution and beauty. JARVIS is donned in a meticulously crafted robot costume, speaking in a manner that perfectly replicates the speech patterns of artificial intelligence. Her live sessions on TikTok have become a sensation, drawing in a massive following of fans who eagerly await her every appearance.
For your understanding, let's play a match.
Okay.
During these live sessions, which occur every few days, she manages to entertain thousands of viewers who express their admiration by showering her with numerous TikTok coins and gifts, which are then converted into real cash. On one of her most successful live sessions, a fan nicknamed Iron Man sends her 15 TikTok lions at the price of $400 each. One TikTok lion is worth $400, and she was gifted 15 TikTok lions, that is $6,000, by a single fan, and she also got other gifts, coins and lions from other fans on that particular TikTok session. Making it her most successful session thus far. She made close to 10 million Nigerian naira from just that TikTok session. One of the most intriguing aspects of Jarvis' online presence is her name and the meaning behind it. She has revealed that Jarvis stands for just a rather very intelligent system. This acronym perfectly encapsulates her robotic alter ego, adding depth and meaning to her character, AI Jarvis. What makes AI Jarvis' performance even more remarkable is the mystery surrounding her authenticity. Many have tried to uncover whether her robotic speech is genuine, natural talent, or a carefully crafted act. Despite various attempts to unravel the truth, she has managed to keep her fans guessing, adding an air of enigma to her online persona.
Jarvis, I'm an AI made from a computer code. My creator is Tony Stark.
Jarvis stands for just a rather very intelligent system. It is a fictional artificial intelligence character in the Marvel Cinematic Universe and the comic books. Jarvis serves as the AI assistant to Tony Stark, also known as Iron Man. In the movies, Jarvis helps Tony Stark with various tasks, including managing his Iron Man suit, providing information, and assisting with various technical and logistical aspects of his superhero activity.
Who is your creator?
Tony Stark.
Tony Stark.
Yes, please.
So, as a AI, you are meant to be able to spell everything.
In the comics and movies, Jarvis and Vision are portrayed as highly advanced artificial intelligences with human-like characteristics and personalities. Yes, a human can mimic a robot by imitating the mechanical and repetitive movements, sounds, and speech associated with robots. This can be done for fun, as part of a performance, or as a playful imitation. It often involves using stiff and jerky movements, monotone or robotic speech patterns, and making mechanical sounds like beep bop to create a robot-like persona. It is a common form of mimicry and impersonation used for entertainment or humor, and that is what this beautiful Nigerian TikToker is doing with the unique character AI Jarvis on TikTok.